May 5th, 2018. Be 1:48 p.m. Wow, we got us a big one. Wow, this looks like a 4-banger. Banging hard. This one's coming from the north and he's headed south. And it just so happens that they're hitting the sky that's open. Just the spot that's open in the sky. How convenient. And look how it's just spreading out. Look at that. Louise. Goodness. If I didn't see it, I wouldn't have believed it. Wow. That one is big. That's a big boy. That's a 4-banger. It may be leaving just a double trail, but it's shooting 4 out the back. Camera's not really doing it the best justice. Look at that. Came right out of that chem cloud. They're just gumming up the works today. Obviously, some agenda going on, or something we're not supposed to see up there. One or the other, or both. Yeah, I'm starting to lose them in that chem cloud over there. Birds seem kind of angry too. Alright everybody, that's an update. Peace out.